Welcome back to my Catalina 27 channel. This is the exhaust flange on an M18 Universal diesel. It's the interface between the exhaust manifold and the rest of the exhaust system. The exhaust manifold here has both water and exhaust gases going through it through two separate cavities. Now, that makes it unique in the automotive world, where you have to seal exhaust gases and coolant. And that gasket right there is the one in question. It has to be a certain type of gasket, and you can't just use any gasket material laying around. It's not the same stuff. Those gaskets there are the exhaust gaskets, which are just conventional exhaust gaskets that only have to seal exhaust gases and not coolant and exhaust gases. This flange is iron and it rusts out a lot of times, but usually not from the inside. It's from the outside. People get salt water on it, but that's the cavity there where the coolant is in the dark section, and that square is where the exhaust gases go through. So you have to clean that gasket, old gasket, off, and there it is right there. You can see it where it compressed down quite a bit, so it's quite a squishy gasket, but it's also a sandwich design where it has a very high heat resistant core sandwiched between two coolant sealing layers. So don't be a hack and put silicone on there, some exhaust gasket material you bought at AutoZone. Catalina Direct sells them. They're $3.60. Do it right and don't worry about it. You can also get the flange and the stud kits if you need them. So do it once the right way. Don't worry about it. Changing that gasket in the boat is a pain in the ass. So again, don't be a hack. Do it right and have fun. See ya.